Germany and I came to Antalya, Myra Dental Clinic to fix my teeth. I had done 24 zirconium crowns and I did an amazing job. They picked me up from the airport, brought me to the hotel, then to the clinic, explained everything to me. I had 24/7 contact with the staff. They are also lovely and friendly. The clinic is very nice, very professional, and it's huge. It's really huge. And Dr. Erdem was my doctor. He did a really good job. As he told me, I was one of his hardest patients. So I'm very happy with the work he did. Thank you so much, Myra Dental Clinic.